Welcome to Luxury Listings. Today, we're touring this beautiful penthouse situated in Azuri. This penthouse has 4 bedrooms with 2 ensuite bedrooms across 230 square meters of interior living space and more than 400 meters of built area, creating a truly generous living experience. Owning this penthouse is not only about the space itself, it's about becoming part of the Azuri lifestyle. From the 9-hole golf course, the several restaurants and cafes, the boathouse, the beach access, Azuri has everything to offer. It was Thomas with Luxury Listings, and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury content in Mauritius.